Salamat, tumigil na ng konti ang ulan, no? Babahin tayo. So we thank God for this opportunity to praise and thank Him the second day of the week. You know? Yesterday, Sunday is always the first day of the week, day of the Lord, and today we go back to our regular routine, and we thank God for this. Again, as I mentioned earlier, the feeding of the hungry. What do we really feed? The challenge yesterday, ano ba talaga ang ating, what do we hunger for? What do we truly hunger for? Ano ba ang ating hinahanap talaga? No? What are we searching for? What are we truly hungering for? Is it truly Jesus we are hungering for? Or it is food? It is money, it is possession, it is material. We are looking for what is something concrete and not what is spiritual. We are not looking for Jesus, but looking for something to fill us, to satisfy us. Imagine, no? Imagine how it is, no? Pinupuno natin yung tiyan, pero hindi yung kaluluwa. Kulang na kulang. So we examine ourselves, no? Why? No? Why we are not hungering for Jesus? Ibang hinahanap natin, hindi naman talaga si Jesus. Sana sa araw na to, for the next 2 more weeks, we will be talking about, on Sunday especially, we will be talking about Jesus, the bread of life. Sana yung uhaw natin, yung paghanap natin sa Kanya ay mas maging taimtim. Because what you're looking for is what will preoccupy us. Yun ang naman mahalaga. It's very, very important. It will be evident in our lives. No? Makikita natin sa Ebanghelyo kung paano sinabi ni Jesus, no? Tinanong niya pakainin, di ba? Sabi niya, naku, 5 tinapay lang meron dito, tsaka 2 isda, no? Pero ginamit niya yung mga apostoles, ginamit niya yung mga disipulo niya para mag-distribute. Ginagamit niya tayo. Ginagamit niya ordinaryong tao. Kaya naman niya magpakain eh. Pero ginagamit niya tayo, ginamit niya yung kanyang mga disipulo. Yung mga disipulo naman, buti na lang, no? Hindi nila pinakain ng kanilang sarili muna. Gutom na rin ako eh, kakain muna ako. Unahin ko tapos distribute ko. Hindi. No? Dahil hindi nila inuna yung kanilang sarili, ibinahagi nila, then the sharing was possible. God continues to use us to make us sharers of the benefits we receive. The Word of God you receive today, everything we receive, natanggap natin, ibahagi natin. Because what we receive, the food we receive, we share, it will be enough for everybody. There is enough for everybody. Let us not worry about ourselves. No? So if we truly hunger for Jesus, there will be enough for all. Let us heal our selfishness. Let us heal our pride and allow us to truly hunger for Jesus.